Is your WordPress website looking like a broken puzzle after an update or a mistake? Don't panic, because today I'm going to show you exactly how to restore your design and layout from a Hosttogor database backup, getting your site back to its former glory in no time. First things first, you'll need to log into your Hosttogor control panel. Also known as cPanel, this is your central hub for managing your hosting account. Once you're logged in, scroll down to the Databases section, look for the icon labeled phpMyAdmin, and click on it. This tool is essential for managing your website's database. You should now see the phpMyAdmin interface on the left-hand side. You'll find a list of your databases. Carefully select the database that corresponds to your WordPress website if you're unsure which one it is. It usually has a name related to your website's domain. Now that you have your database selected, we need to prepare it for restoration. It's crucial to ensure you have a backup of your current, potentially broken, database before proceeding to do this. Select all the tables within your chosen database by checking the Check All box at the bottom of the table list. With all tables selected, find the drop-down menu that says, with selected table, click on this and choose the Drop option. This will essentially empty your current database, preparing it for the backup to be imported. Don't worry, we're about to bring everything back. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click OK to proceed with dropping the tables. This clears out any existing data, making way for your pristine backup. Now it's time to import your backup. Click on the Import tab located at the top of the phpMyAdmin interface. This is where you'll upload your database backup file. Under the File to Import section, click on the Choose File button. Navigate to the location on your computer where you saved your WordPress database backup file. This file is usually in a SQL format. Select it and click Open. Once your backup file is selected, ensure the format is set to SQL, which is the standard for WordPress. Then, simply click the Go button at the bottom of the page. The import process may take a few moments depending on the size of your backup. Once it's complete, you should see a message confirming that the import has been successfully finished. Congratulations! Your database has now been restored. Now, visit your website. You should see your WordPress site exactly as it was before the issue, with all your content, design, and layout perfectly restored from your Hosttogor database backup. A swift return to your previous state with minimal downtime.